these are 4 cubes of ice. This is a beaker filled with normal water. This is what I like to call a banger, and this is a knife. And this is my ice tray. So today we're going to be performing a test where I have 4 cubes of ice. I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them each in these normal temperature water, and I'm going to see if the ice cubes can cool the water down, if they'll sink, because right now they're just floating, I can touch them. If they'll sink, if they'll become transparent, and all sorts of tests. So until then, we're going to be performing some other tests with ice. So one thing I like doing for fun is just taking this, and I will just be taking that. I'll put that there, and I just like doing that. I like smashing it with this for some time. So we're just going to be seeing how ice cubes can hold up to strength. I won't be able to give you an official number, but it would be pretty fun. So I mean, yeah, so basically, yeah, so some shots over here. And one problem with this ice is that when you have a wet surface, try to hit it, it'll all go flying away. So yeah, we'll just, I guess we could add these into that. And to give a check on the ice cubes, FYI, the ice, yeah, it cooled the water, and the ice cubes have barely melted. So we're gonna see that. Till then, we'll perform some other tests. So this is one. I like cutting my ice too with a knife. So here I have a knife. I'll cut it, no problem. And here I'm just gonna be cutting it. And again, see what I'm saying? It's so slippery. I'm not cutting. It's just like that. It's not. It's just gonna keep on moving around. One thing I've seen people say is that cutting ice with a knife will make it smooth, and also like make the sides look very presentable. So I'm just gonna be cutting one side on this piece of ice, and we're gonna be taking a look. So okay, yeah, so basically as you can see, you could also make these stripes. So basically you keep cutting with a knife, and then it basically kind of open from around. I mean, that's pretty fun. But also remember, like, you know, if you're ever doing this, you should probably wear gloves. I have no idea why I'm not. And be careful when you're using this knife, because of course you could hurt your finger or whatever. Yeah, so so we're almost cutting through, and I don't know why. Can anyone explain to me in the comments why ice is never transparent when you get it out of the fridge? Like, why is it like that? I don't really understand. Could anyone explain it to me or write in the comments below? But I mean, yeah, I'm just basically cutting my ice, and so it's done. It's cut, but I wouldn't call this very presentable. There is a small downward gap. It is not very smooth, and it takes way too long to cut. I don't know if I'm wrong or something. And an update on these cubes, as you can see. Yeah, so they are a little smaller, but your water is getting really cold, and that, I guess, that's cooling your ice down. Now another test that I like to perform with ice is, I don't know why, it's kind of like taking a knife and then in my ice tray directly, so that it doesn't move around. I take it and then I just go bang. Okay, it moved down now, my bad. It usually never happens. Let's try it on this one. 1, 2, 3, bang. And then it's just so fun. Like, it seems like, yeah, like the whole epicenter is just like, hey, there's water flying out. I don't know if you can see it on camera again, but yeah, that also shatters it. But a better way to shatter it, you won't get that satisfaction, but a better way to do it is just take the mallet and go bang, 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 bang. That's a lot more fun. But then, and it'll break it easier. Like, so basically, as soon as you're done breaking it, it'll Yeah, there. I broke it, and now when it comes out, you get all these pieces with the ice. Also, FYI, another update on the ice. The cubes are teensy. They're super small compared to my hand, as you can see now. But the water is so cold you can barely dip your hand in it for very long. And yeah, that's 3 cool things that you can do with ice. And I'll see you later.